Good evening, guys. Good evening, ma'am. You know all why we have gathered here? Yes. Here now we are going to have a discussion. That is, we are doing a case study on a topic. What's our topic? Gilbert says multipliers. Gilbert says multipliers. So it is an analog circuit. We might have studied it in our course in our fourth unit, I think. In fifth unit, we might have studied it. Now we are going to do a case study on that Gilbert cell. Yes, shall we start? Yes, ma'am, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, as you mentioned, the Gilbert multiplier set is a very interesting topic, and why we are getting into it's one of the most used application is the RF mixers in the wireless communication system. So rather than just the textbook topics and the paragraph, we are here to share the real thoughts, and we are really going to see how this little circuit chart is going to be make us such a big shot in the modern enabling modern communication systems. So first, what is exactly the Gilbert multiplier set?
Where it starts to Gilbert cell is basically an analog multiplier circuit, and it's super important in the analog signal processing. One of its best known example is its features in the mixtures, where it converts the one frequency into another, essential RF communication.
Yeah, especially in supermajority receivers, right? The Gilbert cell acts as the heart of connection. So it takes the two input signals, that is RF and input. It takes the inputs and produces a sum and difference frequencies. So this frequency is the key takeaways for the extracting signals and from the grounded frequency bands.
Exactly, Sandeepa. It was leading maintain minorities and unwanted speech to improve the signals clarity. So, and it's compared to this older diode or mixtures. The reversals has better performance to its terms of data isolation.
Absolutely simple. That even makes ideal for wireless communication such as mobile phones, Wi-Fi and even satellite receivers. Generally, this Gilbert cell allows us a precise control of frequencies for conversions with minimal amount of signal distortions.
Let us not forget about power efficiency. In modern wireless devices, which are battery consumed and having a low power consumption mixer, which is like a Gilbert cell, is a great advantage.
Okay, guys, you guys have sent me something like Gilbert cell is used in the mobile phone. So I do have one question. How if we are we are taking a real world case, we are designing a receiver for the mobile phone like the 5G network. So basically, how this RF mixers are why exactly we are using the Gilbert mixers in here? Any ideas? Can you explain?
Well, first of all, 5G frequency bandwidth uses like waves. So the mixtures should be designed efficiently to handle the high frequency signals. High frequency signals.
It is used for only high frequency signals, right? High frequency.
Yeah, that's a very great idea. We can also integrate them into CMOS technology, which is a very essential for the compact mobile devices. By introducing this, we can reduce the cost of this, and also the reliability can be increased.
Also, it is some linearities which needs to handle strong and weak at the same time without distortions. So, but we are all Gilbert cells are helpful. Thanks for its high linearity.
Okay, finally, when you talk about the designing stage, we can use simulation tools like reality splice and even CADs. So this will help us to model the design of Gilbert cell mixers, and we can use this for testing also by testing the design model and under different frequencies and ranges.
In fact, in a paper that I have read, engineers have tested about a model, Wi-Fi model based on Gilbert cell, which had a better consumption and better conversion gain and isolation than the traditional mixers.
So guys, yeah, coming with all the conclusion, yeah, with the discussion I am hearing, I think like Gilbert cell is making a very huge impact in the enabling modern wireless communications. Yeah, maybe like it's going to be a big shot in the wireless communication systems.
And any one of us is going into the RF circuit design or communication systems. First of all, we must know how these cells gonna work.
Yeah.
That's a must.
I don't agree with you.
Yes, after hearing all your points, I have one idea. Why can't we start a mini project in Gilbert? That's a good
Yeah,
idea.
that's a great idea. Yeah, definitely. We'll try in the next slot we can try a mini project on. It's really interesting. Right?
Yes.
And also I'm happy to see all of your interest on this particular topic. All the best.
Thank you.